In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to clear cookies and cache in Microsoft Edge. Cleaning your browser's cache and cookies is a simple yet essential step for maintaining your browsing experience. It not only helps in loading pages faster, but also ensures your privacy by removing stored information that websites use to track you. Let's dive right into it and walk through how to perform this task in just a few easy steps. First, you need to launch Microsoft Edge. Once the browser is open, direct your attention to the top right corner where you'll see three dots lined up vertically. Clicking on these dots will reveal a drop-down menu. From this menu, your next stop will be selecting Settings. Once you're in the Settings page, focus on the left-hand side where you'll see a panel with several options. Look for the section labeled Privacy, Search, and Services. Click on that and it will bring up a new series of settings related to your browsing data. Now direct your attention to the Clear Browsing Data option. Once you click on it, you'll see an option to choose what to clear. This is an important step, so take a moment to ensure you click on it. Doing so will open a pop-up window that provides you with various data types you can clear. In this pop-up, make sure to focus on cookies and other site data, along with cached images and files. These two are the key targets for today's session. While browsing history and download history are also options, you don't necessarily have to select them unless you wish to do so. It's entirely your choice. If you decide to remove your browsing history as well, simply check it before proceeding. Once you've made your selections, you'll also want to decide on the time frame for which you wish to clear this information. There's a drop-down menu that allows you to do just that. You can choose to clear the data from the last hour, the last 24 hours, or, if desired, select all time to get a fresh start. After choosing the appropriate time range, all that's left is to click on Clear Now. This action will remove the selected data based on the time frame you've chosen. And there you have it. You've successfully cleared cookies and cache in Microsoft Edge. Thank you for tuning in. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to leave your comments and questions down below. Like and subscribe for more content to enhance your browsing experience. Good luck!